Welcome back to Crafting with Pretty Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this, how to create this cute foam board little purse. I call it little mama little purse. I'm going to show you how to do it. You see how I did the front. You don't see anything because I put in here. And I also have the pattern, the template available for you in the description below. It's in SVG and it's in Canva frame, where you can drag and drop your design into it. So watch the video and go make one for yourself. So here I am with my printouts. I printed them on copy paper because I want to test the templates to make sure that it works before I sell it. Okay, so this is my small purse. I printed them out and pasted them on my foam board. I'm using the knives to cut. I have the Stanley knife and the X-Acto knife. The X-Acto knife is for the curves and the Stanley knife is for the straight parts. And here are the other parts. These are the two sides. And this is the bottom right there. Okay, and it's a small purse like for little girls. It's very, very cute. Here is my iron ruler, like aluminum ruler, and my Stanley knife that I cut with. And then I'm going to use also the X-Acto knife for the curves. So the bigger knife is for the straight part and the X-Acto knife is for the curves. Okay, the curvy part. And also I have my glue sticks and my glue gun. That's what I'm going to use. That's pretty much everything. Okay, so let's get to the cutting. So I will put my ruler, like measure it really well with the design, and then I will cut through the foam board. You have to press when you cut. Be careful with your fingers and this knife. Be very careful. When you cut it, you have to press the knife really into the foam board so that they can cut it off like in one hit. Like cut it off because it has paper on top of it and at the bottom. So you have to cut through it so that they can reach the paper at the bottom to detach it from your work. Okay, so like I said, I use this knife, like the Stanley knife, for the straight parts. Okay, I cut through the straight parts like that, and sometimes it will stick, and then you go to the back and trace it from the back, and it will cut. Trace it a little bit from the back, and it will come off. Okay, so this is the back part. Like I said, press it down really well. You can go through it one more time, like repeat it so that it can come loose, and then I have to go to the back and do this. But if you press it hard enough, it will cut through it in one hit. Okay, this is the white foam board. There's also black, but let me tell you, I never purchase these things from the store. My husband always have these in the house. He has a bunch. He's building stuff. All these tools that I'm using here are my husband's. The ruler, all those knives, only the glue gun and the printout are mine. But everything in this that you see here, all these tools are his. He's building things. I think he's a crafter, low key. He's a crafter too. Yeah, so I cut through the straight parts with this ruler. I use this ruler to do that, and then I have the X-Acto knife to cut manually, like bit by bit through the foam board, and then you will go through the lines and cut it. And if your X-Acto knife is sharp enough, you will be done within no time. The only thing you need to do, you need to be super careful with it that it doesn't cut you. Yeah, but it works really well. You need to have this. As a crafter, you need to have an X-Acto knife. Even if you don't not cut them through foam boards, but you will use it to cut through other things, other craft work. It helps. It helps really well. I'm telling you, it helps really well. And if when you cut it, if it doesn't come off, You can go to the back and then cut through it. Let me take this off really quick. Brr. Okay, and then overline it, go over it in the back, and then it will come out. But yeah, for this you need the X-Acto knife. Okay, we are getting there. Okay, like I said, you can trace it on the back too with the X-Acto knife through the paper. And then it will come out, and you see it came out. Look at that. The parts that are left, like parts that are still hanging, you can still trim them off. Or you can do that after you're done with everything. You can go and clean it up really nice. And then I go over the bow in the corner and over the arch there, the handle of the purse with the X-Acto knife. I cut deep through it. You see that? Yep, yep, yep. And if it doesn't come off, you can trace it from the back really fast. You see that? And it will come off. And this is what we're going to use to cut through all the other parts. All the other parts of the purse. You see that? That came out really nice. So this is what we do. We cut through all of them. And this is the inside. This is the front side. Let me tell you about this. We cut like cut it with the Stanley knife, and the inside also, because it's straight, the inside part is straight, the one on the inside is straight. We're going to cut with the knife also, with the big knife also. And after that, we're going to trim the small parts, like the small curves, with the X-Acto knife. Okay, like so. You need to take your time and do it really well. Yeah, trace it, just trace it in the back, and it will come off. I made this purse in less than an hour. Cut everything in less than an hour, I can tell you. Okay, all the straight line, even this straight line, we're going to do with the big knife. Like with this knife here, that straight line. Yep, that part of the line. Okay. Cut through it, cut very deep. Make sure you're very careful with your fingers. And the rest we're going to do with the X-Acto knife again. Getting there. Now we're going to do the inside with the bigger knife because the lines are straight. We can use this. Now we're going to work our way up there with the X-Acto knife. And then trace it from the back really quick. Trace it and then you get it out. And this is the front of the purse. Oh, come on now. I love this. This is so cute. Okay, this is the front. And so we're going to do all the other parts, the front and the back. They are so cute. So these are the two parts, the sides, the left side and the right side, and that's the bottom. And we're going to use the big knife in this one. Only the big knife. Cut it. Okay. Scrap it there. One side. Okay, one side with a bow. Very cute. And this is the other side. No, this is the bottom. This is the bottom. I do it straight with the ruler and all that. Yep, the bottom. Like I said, I'm testing this template, and when I'm done, it will be available for purchase. You have the drag and drop one, you have the SVG, so you can go and make your own, especially for little girls. So cute, and you can put all her gifts inside. You can use her favorite cartoon characters and make one for your daughter or your granddaughter. So here I have all my pieces. I cut them out, the front and the back and the two sides and the bottom. Yep, I love them. And we're going to glue them with our glue gun and our glue sticks. Glue them together. Look at that, so cute. I designed this template by myself. I used AI images and then I put everything together. You see that part there? I missed it. So I'm going to cut it out with a bigger knife, the Stanley knife, and with my iron ruler, like metal ruler, I'm going to cut in it really quick. And then I'll use the X-Acto knife for the small parts like this, for the height. Okay, and then we have done it. Trace it there too, because it's small. And we have it. Okay, you can clean it up, like go over it with your knife. So we have them. We are going to glue them together. Glue them together. Glue them together. Okay. So I'm going to do the bottom and the front first. I don't want anything to show in the front, so I'm going to glue the bottom on the inside of the front. You see that? I'm going to put my glue on here on the front side of the bottom, because like I said, I don't want any of the parts to be showing on the front of the purse. I want it to be clean all the way, like nothing showing, only the front. So I'm going to put my glue on here with my little glue gun, and then I'm going to attach it like so. Attach it on the inside part. You will see what I mean on the inside. Okay, attach it really well. It will dry up really fast, so make sure you do it right. Attach it like that. Okay, and then I will attach the side. Look, the side, I do the side on the inside. I don't glue it on the outside. I put it on the inside, so the sides will be in between the back and the front. Okay, you will see what I mean. Keep watching. You see it? I put it on the inside. You see that? On the inside, right in there. You see? On the inside. Ooh, I put it on the inside. You see that right there? So, let me scrape off the glue from there. I think it's coming together really well, really nice. You see that I put it on the inside. This template, you do it on the inside. I made it like that. So I'm going to do the other side too. Okay. You see, I put it on the inside. I don't glue it on the outside. I'm repeating myself so many times. I hope that you uh, um, understand what I mean. Okay, so I put my glue on it like so. So we will put it on the inside, on top of the bottom, on top of the foundation. You see that? You see the white part down there? because we put it on top of it. We didn't put it beside it. Okay, and make sure you put it right because the glue will dry up really fast. So you see the front, how clean it is. You don't see any white part from the bottom up the up down there. Push it in right in there. Yep. So we want the front to be clean. So we do it on the inside. And then we're going to attach the back. Actually the front. And I put my glue over there. Okay. And then I will attach it on top of it. And align it really well. Align it really well. And we have our Percy purse. We have our small caddy. I call it a caddy. But it's a small purse for little girls. I'm telling you, this is cute. Your little girl will love it. But we missed something. I had to put a piece of plastic there. So I'm just going to test it with a piece of laminating paper that I have. Like I said, I'm testing this template. And it as for so far it's working really well. I'm showing you how when you purchase the template how to use it, how to make your small purse. So I'm going to put in the glue around the rectangle there, and then I will bring it in and paste it right in there like so, and then press it a little bit, and it's done. And it's done. Clean it up. And here we have it. This is so cute. I love it. I love it. I'm so happy that I was able to create the template. I did the template in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. And I did this one too, also in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. And I was testing the templates and I see that they work. They came out really nice and I'm so happy with my work. So I'm going to leave the link below if you want the templates. You can purchase them from my Etsy or from my website. And like I showed you, the side, you put the side inside. You don't tape it on the outside because you want the front to be clean. You don't want any white line to show. So you see the back is also clean. And the side, on the side, we put it like so. And you can tape it really well. Okay. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So now I can see that the template really works. So you can try it because it's tried and proven. And here is our little mama. It's so cute. It came out so nice. Um and this, and I didn't say that this template you can print out on 8.5 by 11-inch paper. The front can be printed on an 8.5 by 11-inch paper. The back also on one of those pages. The sides, both sides on one, and the bottom on another. So within 4 sheets, you will have this bag printed out. Okay, and you see I put some toys of my daughter inside, so you can create one with the characters, like favorite characters of your daughter, and you can also put her favorite gifts inside of them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to share with your friends and go try the template out. It will work for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you go and make yours too, because it's very cute and it's very easy to make. Very easy to make. I showed you everything already. It's very easy to make. I will leave the link of this pattern, the camphor frame and the SVG, down below. You can get it from my website or from my Etsy. And like I showed you, I also did this one too. I will leave the templates below. You can download them and make yours. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because this channel here has all the good stuff. You see how I do my classes. I tell you everything when I teach. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your crafting friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.